In this video, I'm going to show you how to launch the terminal on a Mac. The Windows equivalent is called the PowerShell. We won't go into that in this video. So I'm going to hit Command Spacebar, which opens up search, and we're going to look for Terminal App. This opens up our terminal, which you can see here. And we're going to do a command called make directory, so mkdir space. And then we're going to name our project. This is the same as creating a folder on your desktop. So let's call it, today's May 28th, so we'll call it Project 528. And a couple of tips here is you want to make sure that you have one word, there are no spaces. I recommend no capitalization either. Just keep it super simple. If you want to have multiple words, use a hyphen to connect. So hit enter, and this returning in this way means that that succeeded. So then we're going to do another command which will navigate to our folder. So we'll do cd, which stands for choose directory, and then we'll type in the same project name, so project 528, and we'll hit enter. And you can see here now this is in project 528. That's a good sign. That means that we are in the project that we created. And now what we would want to do is if we want to open up a tool like the Claude Code CLI, for example, we would want to install it, which I've already done here, and then you could use the start command like Claude. Similarly, if we wanted to launch the CodeYam editor, we would use our start command here as well to launch CodeYam editor. So we'll go ahead and launch Claude just to show what it looks like to launch something in the terminal. And it'll ask us if we trust this folder since it's new, and we'll say yes. And there we go. We can see that Claude has successfully launched in my terminal. I'm going to go ahead and hit, if we wanted to hit, a command here, we could check it, but it's basically Claude is launched within our new project folder. The other thing that I will say that's really helpful is if you, for example, we accidentally close the terminal, or, I'm doing it on purpose here, we want to open a new one, so you can always do that command spacebar to open it back up. Or if you have the terminal open and you wanted to create a new window, let's say we were in a different project here, you can always go shell, new window. You can just go ahead and hit it, or you can select if you want to pick different colors, and that'll launch a new window. We can do cd, which is choose directory, and then type in our project 528, and boom, we're in our project. And then this is, not in the project, as we can see. So that's how you, on a Mac computer, navigate the terminal, set up a new sort of project directory or folder, navigate to the directory, and then launch a tool like the Claude Code CLI or the CodeYam editor from the terminal.